irespeto ang domain ng bawat isa. Do you keep interfering with your partner's assigned tasks? Yung tipong may assigned role na siya pero nangingialam ka pa rin. Nako, that happens. And let me tell you about Joel and Laura, a couple who run a catering business for events and parties. Medyo matagal-tagal na yung negosyo nila, mga siguro 5 or 6 years. Back then, nung nag-uumpisa pa lang, divided yung kanilang roles. It seemed clear. Joel handled food preparation and kitchen operations. Si Laura naman handled client relations and event coordination. Pero eto yung nangyayari again and again. Joel would prepare the menu for a client event. Tapos si Laura naman papasok sa kitchen and say, "Han, baka mas maganda kung ganito yung presentation." O kaya magsasuggest siya ng pagbabago sa ingredients, pag-a-adjust ng portion, or redesigning the plating. Siyempre, si Joel felt brushed aside. "Ang galing mo naman, bakit hindi na lang ikaw ang gumawa?" sabi ni Joel. On the other hand, when Laura naman would finalize event details with the client, Joel would suddenly question her decisions. "Bakit ganyan yung setup? Bakit hindi mo na lang sinabi sa client na mahirap yan?" Laura would feel disrespected. "Ikaw na lang kaya ang makipag-usap sa client," sabi niya. Yes, they had defined yung kanilang mga roles on paper. Pero sa practice, they kept stepping on each other's toes. So during our coaching call, ni-remind ko sila na they needed to trust each other. You see, trust is not just a word. It's letting each other do their part, handle their responsibilities, and know that you've got each other's back. And so, Joel and Laura made a new agreement. For Joel's responsibilities, Laura speaks up only when asked. For Laura's responsibilities naman, Joel would trust her judgment. So the change was almost immediate. Na-feel nilang pareho na respected sila at they felt confident. So eto yung lesson, anak. If you assign a partner a responsibility, let them own it fully. Huwag mag-micromanage, ha? Trust that your partner is capable just as they trust that you are capable. That's how you become a truly business-minded Pinoy.